We came across Retigo and we were instantly impressed. Their setup is excellent. The guys in the office in the UK are always on hand to support us. My name's Tom from Abraxas Catering Equipment. We are a family-run business based in Worcestershire. We've been running for 25 years this year. Our services cover all aspects of commercial kitchens, including design and consultation, full installations of kitchen extraction and ventilation systems, gas pipework, hygienic wall cladding and flooring. We partnered with Retigo UK a few years ago. We were looking for an alternative supplier of combination ovens and we came across Retigo. Instantly we were impressed by the design, the operation and functionality of the ovens. We designed and installed the new kitchen here at the Pilgrim Hotel and Restaurant. We worked closely with Deepak and his team and were able to understand what they wanted to achieve from a kitchen and then supply the right duty equipment to do just that. The Retigo oven fitted really well within the kitchen.
My name is Deepak and I'm head chef at Pilgrim Hotel. When I sit with Tom regarding the kitchen, he introduced me to the Retigo that will be perfect oven for you to use in the kitchen. That's where we started.
We chose to install the Retigo oven here at the Pilgrim Hotel because of its efficiency. Due to the size of the kitchen and the oven actually being a cross-faced oven, means that it's actually a lot more accessible for the chefs to take food out and put food in. There's obviously a lot of manufacturers out there. Retigo stood out from all of them in terms of reliability and design, and also the price point as well.
Orange Vision Plus is a great oven. It sits right in the middle of our product range, still at a great affordable price, and has more features than other high-end combi ovens.
It's good to see our own Pilgrim logo through the screen. One of the feature what I like, to put my own recipes to the system. Even though I'm not here, the chef can follow exactly the same programs. It means they have to follow 1 or 2 steps and that's it. And they can get exactly same product what I want to be on a plate. I mean, how easy is that, Any other oven, you might get one tray is maybe baking much faster than any another tray, but this one is you can see exactly where you put is gonna get same result every time as well. It's easy enough to use for I think anyone. But after we have bought this oven as well, we can see customer is happy and happy with their meals.
Chef support is really good. It's actually a really nice kind of finish to the purchase of a Retigo oven.
We've got a core temperature probe, which is a standard on the Orange Vision Plus in the UK. So again, another unique feature is our flat valve or humidity vent. And what that means, when we're cooking on dry heat, we have the option to open the humidity vent, and then the oven will actually pull air in and push out the humid air, so it makes it really nice, dry and crispy.
The oven also features Combi Online, which is our software system where you can connect to the internet and access the oven remotely, and the system is completely free of charge.
The installation went great right from the get-go. Our engineers really enjoy working with Retigo ovens. It's quite refreshing to see a piece of catering equipment on the market that has been designed and built with the engineer in mind.
When we manufacture our machines, the ovens features 99% of parts that are sourced from Europe.
From how straightforward it is to install to the ease of servicing and working on them, it's very much appreciated by our engineers. Stock availability, again, excellent. We have no issues with getting stock. Delivery is fast and efficient. Basically it means we're able to turn around equipment a lot faster for our clients, which obviously keeps them very happy.
We now offer 3 years warranty across our range of products.
Yeah, Tom and Abraxas, they done a good job for us, and they have done before as well, and I think they did it again. And same with the Retigo team as well. They come and help us with the lots of trainings and everything as well. after we fitted the kitchen, everything's done, then I find that was the right choice to choose that oven for my kitchen.
Retigo are our preferred supplier of combi ovens. I would definitely recommend them, and we will continue to use them in the future.
I will say, don't take my word, but buy it, use it, and then you will see what you get.